Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Miss Fabulous. If you have not been to my channel, welcome. If you have, welcome back. I hope you've been staying so fabulous, and I hope everyone has been feeling fabulous since the last time you saw a video from me. So today I have a fashion haul, and I went out to the store. Actually, I went to Burlington Coat Factory. If you don't know what it is, it's kind of like a Ross or a Marshalls, TJ Maxx. It's kind of in that, it's in that same category or brand. And I went there because I wanted to get some pillows for my bed, and I didn't find any pillows for my bed. You know, like the little fluffy pillows, sometimes you can find them at TJ Maxx or Burlington Coat Factory. I get pillows from there all the time, but I didn't find anything. But when I went in there, they had 50% off 50% off of everything in here. I spent like $70 on let's see, I got, how many items I got? I had a lot of items. Probably about 13 items. So let's get into it. Okay. Burlington, the bag it comes in. Cheap bag. It's a cheap store. Well, it's a cheap store. So, and then they had 50% off, so it's even more cheap. So it's just like, let me throw something together. Oh, and then I'm also gonna try it on for you, but I'm gonna show you how to slay on a budget. It's budget friendly. Okay, so the first thing was this Poetic Justice. It's like an oversized t-shirt dress, and it's the bag. It has Tupac on the front. If you don't know who that is, go Google him. Psych. He is a rapper. He was a rapper like in the 90s. He was a rapper. So got that, and it actually fits pretty good. It's nice. Really nice. Then coming up next, these jeans. Now they have, let me see, they have 2 buttons on them. I love jeans. This color, this color is really pretty, like with the, and these are in the color, these are in the number 13. I'm normally like a dress size 12 or 14. And then they come down here, the stress, cuffed ankles. These are really cute. And then I have this shirt, which, you know, it's just a blouse. Oh, okay. Let me tell y'all the pricing on this stuff. So this one was the Tupac dress, t-shirt dress, was originally $20. It was originally $15, so it was 50% off. So I got it for $7.50. $7.50. Wow. These jeans was $17.99, so they were $9. And what? $9? And you see how they fit? This shirt, it was $13.99, so it was $7. So this is cute little mom shirt, or just cute or whatever. And then I got another shirt. This shirt was $6.99, and it was 50% off, so it was $3.50. $3.50 for this cute blouse. This is like a wrap. It's like a wrap shirt, and then like the materials don't feel really cheap. That's one thing I do like about Burlington Coat Factory or like Ross. The clothes don't feel cheap. It's if you went to like what's those stores, like Rainbow or easy pickings. Like their clothes feel cheap. These clothes actually don't feel as cheap. Then I have these super gorgeous peach, or I guess coral you would call them, pants. They have like a tie in the front. These are so cute, so cute, so adorable. And then I have some sweatpants, or I guess leggings, really stretchy leggings. These are in a size extra large. They were $10. They have, I guess, BB. That's like a, if you were from the 90s, you know what BB is. If you was a 90s baby, you know it's like a real net. Yeah, but those are gonna be nice workout pants, or just to lounge in. I wear a lot of lounge clothes, especially like when I'm with my kids and stuff. I wear a lot of lounge wear. I love to be comfortable. And then I have this. This is really this. I think this in a nightgown section. It's definitely pajamas or lounge wear as well. It's like a muscle dress, I guess. It's like a tank top dress. It's Calvin Klein. This was, I found the tag, $19.99, so it's 50% off, so I got it for $10. Those coral pants, they were $10.99. They were 50% off, guys. I got these pants for $5.50. You got, and look at the material is nice. There's a little wrinkle. It needs to be ironed, but we're seeing. And then I have these high-rise jeans. This is skinny curvy high-rise jeans. These are in a size 13 as well. Again, I am like a true size 12, size 14. And these were $16.99, so I got them for $8.50. They were 50% off, $8.50. And they fit so nice. And then I have this pretty adorable shirt. It's in a size large. It was $7.99, so I got this for $4. It's really cute. I wear this during the day. And like, I don't really follow, like, I guess you could call this a summer haul, but I don't really follow like the dress code like for the summer. I guess it's just like, oh, you're supposed to wear like short shorts and tank tops and stuff in the summer. I just dress however I feel for the summer. However, I won't wear, of course, like something that's really thick, but sometimes a lot of my sleeve, like I like my arms covered a lot, so a lot of my shirts are long sleeve. They may be like sheer or chiffon or like a thin cotton material, but a lot of my sleeves are longer. And I just feel like if you're gonna wear like a long sleeve, it should be like very thin, and then it should also have maybe like a print to it, like a floral print or some type of, like, you know, pretty print to it. Now I do have two other things that I want to show you guys. I did not get from Burlington Victory, so that was my $70 haul. And also, like, it was probably less than that because I did get like some stuff. Like I got this nice book. It was 50% off, so it was like $2. It was originally $4.99. It says trust the Lord, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs 3:5. This is what I'm going to use when I'm taking, you know, my notes, when I'm reading my Bible. I wanted something to jot down some notes, so I grabbed this book. This is really cute. It was only $2. Okay, and then the other two things I want to show you guys that I did not get from Burlington was these pink pants from Fashion Nova. These are very cute, very, very chic. I would say mod chic, like, you know, very classy, very chic, not too tight and revealing, but just tight enough. And then I also want to show you guys, I had got some slippers, or sandals. I guess you could wear them. I guess you could wear them. They're slides. They're called Woman Disco Slides by UGG, and they're in like a coral color. They're so pretty. So if you never had Uggs before, they come in like this kind of box. These were $100, and then these are not like the oh yeah slides. Like I have those in gray. These are really different, and these are so cute. Like I can't wait to show you guys like how they're gonna look on my feet. The color is pretty, it's soft, it's comfortable, it's thick, so it has like a platform, so you could kind of wear them outside. Like as far as like the oh yeah slides, if you the oh yeah slides, they don't have this kind of platform at the bottom, so if you have a light color in those, like if I would have got those in this color, you would not be able to wear them outside because they would of course get dirty because they're too close to the ground. But these have, like you see, they have a nice sole to the bottom, nice platform on the bottom, so I could definitely wear these outside. And I can't wait to show you guys how I styled them. So these are so cute. You think they're worth the $100? I think so. All I know, I know UGG the brand, and I have like some boots, some slippers, some slides, and they do last a very long time. If you take care of them, they do last a long time. Maybe like a couple of years. They last forever if you take care of them and don't wear them every single day. Like sometimes, like we have shoes that we love so much and we just wear them every single day. Like I have Uggs that I wear every single day. And you have some that you just put up because you want to wear them when they look nice. Alright, and that's it for the haul. Thank you so much for watching. And again, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss what will be coming next. Have a fabulous time. Have a fabulous week. Stay fabulous. Until next time.